समाज में कौन पहले मारता है इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। फर्क इससे पड़ता है कि पहले कौन नीचे गिरा। जिसे मारने के लिए मुझे बुलाया था उसे मारे बगैर नहीं जाऊंगा। वो जगह जहां भी हो, जैसी भी हो, उसे वहीं जाके मारूंगा।
What happens when corruption and digital censorship peak in a nation and the youth demands an overhaul? Nepal just gave an answer to that, to its own government and to the world that watched astounded. The Gen Zs of Nepal began a social media movement against nepotism, privileges of those in power, and pervasive corruption that eventually forced resignations, including that of Prime Minister KPS Oli and his ministers, in the deadliest social unrest the country has seen in decades. Dark smoke covered the skies on September 8th and 9th. At least 51 lives, including that of a 12-year-old boy, were lost. 2 nights of chaos saw thousands of people, mostly students, take over the streets of capital Kathmandu and other cities to make their voices heard. The Supreme Court and Parliament buildings were set on fire as student-led protesters clashed with the armed forces on the streets. Nepalese government ordered 26 social media platforms to register with its Ministry of Communication. When companies failed to do so within the 7-day deadline, the platforms were blocked. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube, X, formerly known as Twitter, were among these social media platforms. A digital-savvy Nepalese youth had had enough, but the ban was just a catalyst and the Gen Z's frustration ran deeper. Worsening youth unemployment to lack of economic development fueled the movement. The protest did not have any specific leader, just youth collectives that were calling to action. Discord, a communication platform where users create and join servers, was used to coordinate the protest participation, suggesting protesters wear school uniforms and join peacefully. But eventually, the protest remained anything but peaceful. Violence ensued when police used force. Water cannons, batons, rubber bullets were used to quell the protest. Curfews were imposed, but it became impossible to silence the brutal suppression. Military forces patrolled the area, and airports had to shut down briefly. Amid the chaos, the protesters stuck to their demands: the government to put an end to corrupt practices and to lift the ban on social media.
अगर ये आज मर भी गया तो मैं समझूंगी कि इसमें मेरी ख्वाहिश पूरी करने की ताकत नहीं थी। लेकिन इस दुनिया में जब तक ये जिंदा है, मेरी ख्वाहिश पूरी करने वाला सुल्तान बन के ही जिएगा।
अगर तुम में हिम्मत हो कि 1000 लोग तुम्हारे पीछे खड़े हों, तो तुम सिर्फ एक ही जंग जीत पाओगे। अगर 1000 लोगों ने हिम्मत जुटा ली कि तुम उनके सामने खड़े हो, तो पूरी दुनिया जीत जाओगे।
मैंने ही ये लकीर खींची थी कि तू कभी किसी पे हाथ नहीं उठाएगा, और आज मैं ही उस लकीर को मिटा रही हूँ। देवा, इन्हें रुकना होगा। चाहे तो इनके आगे हाथ जोड़ ले, नहीं तो उठे हुए हाथ काट दे।
Did you know, for the first time in history, Nepal has a woman Prime Minister, Susila Karki. This moment is bigger than politics. It's a message, a sign of change, a sign that Nepal is ready to break all chains and move forward. But let's be clear, this is not just about celebrating the first woman. It's about demanding a brighter Nepal. A Nepal where corruption is crushed, justice is real, and every citizen feels proud of their nation. We congratulate her, yes, but we also remind her the people's trust is not a gift, it's a responsibility. And we, the new generation, are here to watch, to question, and to push for the future we deserve. So let Susila Karki's leadership be more than history. Let it be the spark, the flame, the revolution of hope. The choice is ours. The future is ours. The revolution is ours. Jaya Nepal!
खुदा का हुक्म और एक माँ की दुआ है कि हाथों की लकीरों को भी रुखसत कर, रोकने से भी नहीं रुकेगी तुम्हारी ये सल्तनत।
History tells us that powerful people come from powerful places. History was wrong. Powerful people make places powerful.
मुझसे वादा कर, तो कैसे जिएगा मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन जब मौत आए तो दुनिया का सबसे ताकतवर और अमीर बनकर मरेगा। सबसे अमीर आदमी बनूंगा माँ।
लेकिन लोगों को ये खबर नहीं थी कि किसी और के कदम वहां पड़ चुके थे। Powerful people come from powerful places.
मेरी दोस्ती लायक कोई यार नहीं, मेरी दुश्मनी झेल सके ऐसी तलवार नहीं।
जो धर्म मेरी माँ ने मुझे सिखाया है उसे साक्षी मानकर वचन देता हूँ, तुम्हारे गौरव और मर्यादा पर किसी भी परिस्थिति में आंच नहीं आने दूंगा।
जय जयकारा, जय जयकारा, स्वामी देना साथ हमारा।
प्राइम मिनिस्टर नेपाल आमाको सच्चा छोरा
लो